Pag kumalat yan na hindi tayo nagbabayad sa mga investors natin, kakahiya.
Yes, exactly, Senator.
Sisira pangalan ng Pilipinas eh. Balasubas pala tayo. Ano ba yan?
Kumalat yan sa buong mundo.
Yes.
Wala nang maniniwala sa atin next time. No? And especially at this time na medyo, alam niyo naman nangyayari ngayon with the issue on flood control.
BOI, what's the real total value of investment approvals? Dami-dami kasing press release sa dyaryo. Di ko alam kung alin ang totoo.
September pwede na.
Yeah, kung ano lang ang number na nandyan. Asa si Perry?
May ibang meetings.
Ganon ha.
Good afternoon,
O
Madam
yung
Chair.
BOI, magkano?
As of September,
Oo.
our BOI approvals is at
Yung
6.
totoo ha, yung actual ha.
This is based on the approvals of
Okay, okay. Magkano
based
nga?
on 653.784 billion
US?
pesos.
Sana. Okay. Okay. Sabi kasi niya, may SIPP na 2025 to 2028 nabasa ko sa dyaryo. Can you provide us highlights? Kahit advance copy niyan?
The SIPP has been taken up in the board,
Yun
the
nga.
Board of Investments. We hope to have it released within this quarter, Madam Chair.
No, but in order to help your budget along also, so that we have something to look forward to, since everyone has been sent into a panic with the US tariffs, baka naman yung SIPP may pag-asa, may liwanag ba yan sa dilim? Kaya humingi ako ng kopya or at least yung highlight, salient points. Ano bang masishare ninyo? So we have something to look forward to na ideally will offset the tariff losses.
We can provide, Madam
sige.
Chair, the
Okay.
latest version.
Okay, ano ang pinagkaiba ng race at yung cars? Yung 250 million na naka-earmark? You have automotive industry competitiveness. Ang race is supposed to replace cars. Pinagkaiba ng dalawa?
Yes, ma'am,
At
Madam
saka paano
Chair.
niyo gagastusin
So,
yung 250 million?
For in terms of fiscal support, CARS gave fixed investment support as well as a production volume incentive, while RACE will just be giving a fixed investment support.
Nakita ko dito sa briefer namin, may utang pa tayo sa CARS program
Oo.
na 3.9 billion. And then we're only allocating 225 to 200.
Oo nga.
Hindi ba commitment natin to sa mga investors? Pinap-invest natin sila dito. Ang kapalit, we will give them is this subsidy or reimbursements or both?
Subsidy.
Subsidy, di ba?
Yes. So we have already paid or funded a total of 1.4 billion, and this covers already the TPCs that were issued, the TPCs, and then we were not able to pay yet or still unfunded some 3.987 billion. The 87.972 million of that is under the 2025 BOI budget, and 364 million is under the 2025 SARO. Now we're
Oo nga. So magkano ang let's take it one by one. Yung 3.9 utang natin yun.
yes po.
Correct? That's validated.
Validated. Yes
Yeah.
po.
Okay, and then we're for 2026 meron tayong 225. Tama?
Yes.
So kulang pa tayo ng 3.7 or
Opo.
3.6 more or less. Oo. So and then you're saying meron kayong corporate funds
Meron po for under 2025.
na magkano?
So, na 87.972 million, and under Saro 364 million.
So kulang pa rin tayo ng mga 3.2.
Opo.
So 3.3, 3.2, 3.3.
Mhm.
So anong magiging consequence? Mga investors to eh.
Anong answer?
What's the consequence, Secretary? I don't think we want to renege on our commitment to the investors, especially at this time. Pag kumalat yan na hindi tayo nagbabayad sa mga investors natin, kakahiya.
Yes, exactly, Senator. We want to pay them because the participants in CARS are also the ones that we are also targeting for raise.
Correct.
And if
correct.
they are not paid, then they won't have that confidence to go to our program on raise and even sa EBIS for the parts makers.
That's for the EVs.
Apo.
That's for the EVs, no? So, anong feedback from these investors?
Actually, Senator Win, I've spoken to them, no, especially Toyota, because doon talaga malaki yung utang natin sa kanila. So we've actually told them that we were gonna get it from the budget.
Yeah, well, anong
Yun na nga.
feedback? Anong
But wala siya doon.
These are current
Naniningil-
investors ngayon eh.
Naniningil
Correct,
po.
yeah.
Ha?
Naniningil.
Kasi andito na sila sa Pilipinas eh.
Hindi, totoo yun.
Yes.
So, if we will not pay them, especially Toyota, kakalat yan sa buong mundo. Especially
Correct.
Toyota has presence
Mm.
everywhere, no?
Yes, actually, yun ang ano talaga. Then we've agreed that we hope to get it from the budget talaga. Kasi that's the only way for us to be able to, hindi, mababa lang. Kasi
Bakit
this
kinat
budget
ng
was made in the
DBM?
previous. We've spoken to DBM also regarding this and nag-agree rin na dun kukunin sa budget. But of course, we're still hoping to, we're still hoping to increase this part of
Yeah, but binigay nila 225 million
yes,
lang.
actually, yes. But we've discussed this with SEC.
So that's when you program.
Yes.
That's not.
Pero before they gave this out,
But is
we
there
already
a
discussed
particular
with
reason
them.
bakit kinat ng DBM? Baka may nakita sila na, andito ba DBM? Baka may nakita sila na hindi namin nakikita? Is DBM here, Comsec?
Wala po yata.
Wala yata. Anyways, but anong dahilan?
I haven't spoken to Secretary Amina, but yun ang talagang pinag-usapan namin, even with Sec Amina and also with
Fiscal
Toyota.
space-
Now we were
fiscal
hoping to
space
pay
lang.
them already.
Saan ang DBM? Normally we have DBM eh. Andito ba DBM? Can you raise your hand? Wala eh. Anyways, just submit to us itong CARS program in arrearage. Very concerned kami dahil commitment natin to sa investors. So just like Create, nandito na sila. Pag masama experience nila, kakalat yan sa buong mundo.
Yes.
Wala nang maniniwala sa atin next time. No? And especially at this time na medyo, alam niyo naman nangyayari ngayon with the issue on flood control. More so, we have to make sure that we always remain true to our commitments to our investors.
Mr.
I'll
Chair,
talk to
since
Sec
there doesn't
Amina.
seem to be any apparent plan in DTI for the payment of the 3.3 plus billion, pwede bang kunin kahit papano dito sa 902.30 million for exports and investment development? We have to get it somewhere. Talagang very alarming.
Yeah.
Masisira pa nga lang ng Pilipinas eh. Balasubas pala tayo. Ano ba yan?
Maybe,
Meron kayong dito sa export and investment development.
yes,
Ano pwede
Senator,
kaltasan yan?
kasi we really need to also at least generate income also
Yeah,
sa
but before you
exports. and
generate
ano.
income, you gotta pay your debts.
And then I'll talk to DBM secretary about this one, and then baka we can strike a deal with them because they're also bringing in Tamarao. Toyota's bringing Tamarao also. So the trust is still with us. The trust is still with this administration and also with the country. But I just have to talk to Sec Amina kasi in constant talks naman kami with the Toyota higher ups. So
Ang daming
regarding this.
problema ng trade. As we said earlier, this is
Ito.
probably the end of globalization as we know it. Pero yung DTI budget appears on its surface at least to insist that it's merely business as usual. So, ang sabi ni DBM Pangandaman, nung nag-testify siya dito, DTI is sufficiently funded to support exporters affected by US tariffs. Yun ang sabi niya eh. Pero, sa buong 2025 GAA at 2026 NEP, wala naman ako nakikitang addressing the losses nga that haven't been estimated that will necessarily come from the US tariff raise.
Yes.
So yun ang kinatatakutan natin. Tapos ito nga, andito yung export and investment development, may utang pa na malaki. Baka pwedeng kunin dyan? Or saan ba
Actually,
kukunin to?
this budget was done way before this tariff problem. So we did not foresee also na magkakaproblema sa ganon. So we just wanted to use the 900 plus million to generate more investments.
Pero
Kasi
yung statement kasi ni Secretary Pangandaman was fairly recently. Sabi niya, you're sufficiently funded. Pero tinitignan ko nga, well, saan ba? And ikaw naman, iba naman yung version mo, which I believe, na talagang ginawa yung budget, wala pa naman balita tungkol
yes,
dito.
including this political issue. So for us at that time, everything was going really
Ano
well.
dapat natin gawin? Kasi wala rin masyado kayong plano. Wala nga mga estimate for sums required.
And ang plano really is to really generate income both locally and globally. This is precisely why we got this. We also did this budget. And for us to be able to at least get more foreign investments, we need more money kasi kulang na kulang
No,
from
I
the
think
last
before
year.
you need more money, you need to pay your debts.
Yes, actually I was in constant talk with Sec Amina. How many times we went there to her office and we didn't expect rin na ganito yung lalabas. No? And even if you talk to the higher ups of
Yung
Toyota.
cars, talagang balance carried forward yan. Hindi yan bago. Walang kinalaman sa US
Yes,
tariff
correct.
yan.
But we did not expect also na ganun yung amount na ilalabas ng ano.
Anong aging ng utang? Gaano katagal na yan?
2022,
So 22 starting 22 tapos nagpatong-patong na yan, I would assume, no? Patong-patong na yan. So that's you know, to be honest about it, the best way to market our country is to pay our arrears. Kahit na market tayo ng market ng bansa, hindi tayo nagbabayad ng utang natin sa mga investors, sisira tayo. So anyways, I will
Yeah,
subscribe to the suggestion ng ating chairman kung saan nakikita niyang pwede